In this question, you have to identify the plant that shows a very close relationship with a species of moth where none of the two can complete its life cycle without the other. Option A, Hydrilla. It is incorrect because Hydrilla is an aquatic plant that does not have a mutualistic relationship with any species of moth. Option B, Yucca. Now, yucca plants do have a mutualistic relationship with a species of moth which is known as Pronuba or commonly yucca moth. And in this relationship, the yucca plant depends on the moth for pollination, while the moth relies on the plant to lay its eggs because the larvae feed on some of the eggs of the yucca. But still, enough seeds remain to allow the yucca plant to reproduce. So neither the yucca plant nor the moth can complete its life cycle without the other. Thus, it is the correct option. Option C, viola. It is incorrect because these are flowering plants that do not have a specialized relationship with any single species of moth. Rather, they rely on various pollinators and even they can self pollinate. Option D, banana. It is also incorrect. Now, bananas, mainly the cultivated varieties, reproduce through vegetative means. And some wild bananas, though, rely on pollinators like bats, but they do not have obligate relationship with any particular species of moth.